Subject EVS. Topic inside the kitchen. Standard 3rd. Hello student, I am Meera Singh and today we are going to learn an interesting topic. But before that, I would like to ask you a few questions. So let's begin. So student, the first question is, which is your favorite food? Now tell me student. Yes, correct. You all love different types of food and one of them is your favorite food and you enjoy it. Correct student? Now the second question is, who cooks food at your home? Yes, correct student. Mostly your mother cooks food at your home. But sometime other member of your family also cook food. In some house, maid is also cooking food. Correct student? So student, let's start. Lesson number 14, inside the kitchen. So student, what is there on the screen? Student, people prepare a variety of food items according to their liking. They use a variety of ingredients for the purpose like rice, wheat, pulses, vegetables and fruits, eggs, meat and fish. And you also know student that many of our food items are prepared by heating. Student, do you know we cooked some food by boiling it? And what are they? We boil food like rice, dal and egg. As you see on the screen, all these food are prepared by boiling it. Have you understood student? Student, we eat some food by roasting it like chapatis, papad and bhakris. Student, chapatis and bhakris, they are healthy food. Student, we cook some food by steaming it. And what are they? Like idlis, modaks and dhokla. We cook this food by steaming it. We also cook some food by frying it. Oil and ghee is used to fry them. Student, as you see on the screen, puris, pakoras, French fries are fried food. We love to eat it, but eating too much of frying food is not good for our health. Foodstuffs become tastier and easier to digest when prepared by heating them. Isn't it student? When we cook vegetables and food grains, it becomes soft and it is easy to digest. And the taste is also good. Isn't it student? But student, however, not all foodstuffs are prepared by heating. We eat some of them raw also. That is uncooked. We eat fruits mostly without cooking. Yes, we are eating fruits without cooking them. We also eat vegetables like cucumbers and tomatoes raw. A cucumber salad or a banana shake are made without heating. Understood student? Like we eat fruits without cooking, in the same way we also eat vegetables. Some vegetables we eat without cooking it, that is cucumber and tomatoes. Or even banana shake or other juice also are made without heating. Now student, let's see what is combustible substance. A substance that can burn is called a combustible substance. Camphor burns, hence it is a combustible substance. Water does not burn, hence it is a non-combustible substance. Have you understood, student? The things which can burn is called combustible substance and the thing which cannot burn is called non-combustible substance. As you see in the example of camphor is a combustible substance and water is a non-combustible substance. Fuel, a combustible substance that can be used conveniently for obtaining heat is called a fuel. Cooking gas, kerosene, coal, all are examples of fuel. However, all combustible substances are not used as fuel. Only those which burn easily and give plenty of heat on burning are called fuels. Have you understood, student? Nowadays, many people prefer to use cooking gas as fuel. It is easy to use. Why we use cooking gas, student? Yes, it lights quickly and it does not give out smoke. And cooking on gas also saves time, isn't it, student? Some people use firewood for cooking. Burning wood is a troublesome task. Student, mostly in village, most of the people they use firewood for cooking. But student, it also makes a lot of smoke. And trees have to be cut for wood. That is harmful for the environment. We should not cut trees. But nowadays many people have started using cooking gas. Some people use a coal burning stove, that is sigdi. Coal also gives out smoke. Student, people those who are using fuels like wood or coal that gives out smoke, they must have windows in their kitchen. And because of the window they will get a lot of light and also prevent smoke from collecting in the house. So if people are making food on wood or coal, they must have window in their kitchen. Student, some people use kerosene stoves for cooking. Nowadays we also get hot plates for cooking on electricity. Student, kerosene stove with hot plates are very convenient to use because electricity is used in it, so there is no smoke and it is very convenient to use. Student, some people use the heat from the sun for cooking. They use the solar cooker. Student, what is solar cooker? Do you know? Let me give you the answer. A solar cooker is a device that is used to cook food by utilizing the energy radiated by the sun. Have you understood, student? Now student, let's see what we have learned. We cook food by heating. It makes the food tastier and easier to digest. Boiling, steaming, frying and roasting are some of the different ways of providing heat. Salads, and milkshakes are examples of food items that are prepared without heating. Student, there are various kinds of stoves which make it convenient to burn fuel to obtain heat for cooking. Electricity and heat from the sun can also be used to obtain heat for cooking. Now student, there is a homework for you. Filling the blanks. Student, here I will give you the answer of the filling the blanks and you have to write the answer in your notebook. So this is your homework. The first one is, many of our food items are prepared by dash. What is the answer over here? Yes, correct. Many of our food items are prepared by heating. Now, the next one is, chapatis and bhakris are dash. Now, who is going to give me the answer? Yes, correct. Chapatis and bhakris are roasted. The next is, we eat fruits mostly without. Yes, the correct answer is, we eat fruits mostly without cooking. Now, let's see the last one. Burning dash is a troublesome task. Yes, so the answer is, burning wood is a troublesome task. Now student, you have to write the question as well as the answer in your notebook. Now here student, the next question is, which method of heating is used for preparing the following dish? Now student, here you have to write the method. Like the first one is dhokla. How we prepare dhokla? We fry by frying it, by boiling it, by steaming it. How we prepare dhokla? Tell me student. Yes, correct student. We prepare dhokla by steaming it. Now you understood student. So the rest one you have to do it. Now the next homework is, write the names of the fuel being used in the pictures shown below. So student, here the pictures are given and you have to write which fuel is used. So the first picture is earthen chulha and the fuel used is wood or cow dung cake. So you have to write the next one. Here the first picture is of electric heater and the fuel used is electricity. So the next one you have to write on your own. Have you understood student? Answer the following. Question 1. Which food items do we eat without cooking? We eat fruits and vegetables like cucumbers and tomatoes raw without cooking it. Question number 2. Why do we use heat to prepare some food items? Foodstuffs become tastier and easier to digest when prepared by heating them. Isn't it student? When we cook vegetables and food grains, it becomes soft and it is easy to digest. And the taste is also good. Isn't it student? Thank you student. Keep learning.